A special delivery for the pig family!
A package! It's G-L-O-ing! Daddy!
Look what we have! Rainbow seeds!
Wow! Wow!
We have to do it just right, George.
Oh, wow!
Now to water them.
Perfect, George.
Nothing is growing yet. Dinosaur!
George, look! It's growing!
Wow!
It's almost ready to bloom.
Wow!
Oh!
The flower is sick.
We need to help it.
We must find a way to save it.
What can we do, Daddy?
I know. We should ask an expert. Madame Gazelle will know what to do.
Hello, children. What seems to be the trouble?
Our magical flower is sick.
It needs very special water.
It needs rainbow water. We need to collect all the colors.
A quest? I am an expert quest goer. First, we need to find R-E-D. The red mud puddle is this way.
There it is! Red, done. Yellow.
4 colors down.
Blue, purple. We have all the colors.
Oh, the poor flower looks so sad.
Maybe we can make it feel better.
Yes, let's try.
Red in,
Orange and yellow.
green,
And
blue, and purple.
Now for the magic.
It's working!
The magic is ready.
I'll do it. Do it. This will make you better. Wow! It worked! We saved it!
A rainbow fruit. How magnificent!
It's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen.
A magical fruit is meant to be shared.
Let's share it. An expert tap.
For you, George.
Dinosaur. Yum. Wow.
New seas. The magic continues.
I know what to do.
Perfect.
Now we can share the magic. One for Susie Sheep. Huh? Done.
A magnificent harvest of friendship.
Hello? What's all this?
It's a magic seed for your very own garden.
For me? Thank you. I will plant it today. Everyone can have a magic garden. One left.
And this last seed is a special one.
For a very special gardener. It's for Y-O-U.
Let's all be magical gardeners.
But to make your seed grow, you need to find the magic button.
It makes magical gifts appear at YOR Home.
Press it now for... Don't miss any deliveries.
Ring for presents.
One more button for extra magic.
This tells us you love the magic. Press them all for magic.
I'll deliver to your house. Your gift is waiting.